Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? We out here, you feel me? Welcome back to the channel, Rich Talk for days. It's your boy Ryan, back at it with another video, you feel me? Hey man, so look, today we are going to be pressing up some beanies, alright? Beanies like this, but we're pressing up this beanie right here, alright? This is 100% acrylic, not cotton, so this is a more of a lightweight material, so that means you gotta have a lower temperature and make sure you have a lower pressure on your heat press machine when you're pressing. Alright, so we're gonna measure this part right here, get our design ready. We're gonna cut out that design, and we're gonna get to the heat pressing. Alright, y'all stay tuned in, man. Yeah. So what I'm about to do right now is get this ruler, get the beanie. I'm going to measure this brim, whatever you want to call this. I don't know what it's called specifically, but I'm about to call it the brim for right now. Alright, so I'm about to measure that. So first we're going to do the width, which is 7 inches wide, and we're going to do the height, which is 2.5. I'm about to show y'all a design right now, and we're going to get to the Cricut design space, get the measurements aligned for this beanie, cut out that design, we're going to press, okay? Yeah. So here we are. We're at the Cricut design space right now. I'm going to add some text, and you know what that is already. Humbly Rich. Duh. Alright. Got that. I have my font set to Impact. It's a font called Impact. If you want to download more fonts, you could go to defont.com, and they have another website that I use sometimes. It's called 1001fonts.com, and just make sure when you're downloading these fonts that you download the commercial one, the commercial use. That's free. You know, they have ones that's 100% free, and then they have ones that you could donate to the creator. You know, if you want to do that, that's up to you. That's your decision. You know, so just make sure you look for the ones that's 100% commercial use free. Alright? If you're going to be selling this design or selling this, you know, this text or whatever. Alright, so now we measured the beanie. We came out to 7 inches as a width, and we came out to 2.5 inches as a height. So I'm going to make this text right here. Here we go. Let's go to this set of measurements. They got this little lock thing. If you change the width, let's say you change the width to 4 inches, the height will also change with it because it's locked in. So if you want to do 2 different measurements, so we're going to say I'm going to set the width to 6.5 and set the height to 1.5. Alright, so or should I probably do? I should probably do an inch. An inch is more better. Let's try an inch. Alright, I like the inch more better. Okay, so now what you want to go to, you want to go to make it. Now we come to the next screen, which is the cutting mat. Remember, every time you're doing vinyl, you want to always mirror the design. Okay, do not forget that, because if you don't mirror, you will waste vinyl each and every time. So we're going to mirror it. That's how it comes out to. Alright, we're going to go down, and we're going to go to continue. Make sure you have your vinyl cutter plugged in and connected to your computer as that comes up. So look, this right here is stretch vinyl, okay? So now we're going to set the Cricut to iron on, okay? Okay, so that's the setting you want it on. Now we're going to go back to this. Let me see what that says. Make sure mirror is turned on. The iron material is facing its face shiny side down, okay? I'll tell you. So I have a few pieces of different color vinyl. So I think I might go with the green. Alright. I'm gonna cut a piece of this. I'm gonna going to measure it out. So when you're cutting out the measurement, you want to just cut out a little extra. So if I'm cutting out 6.5, you know, right now I might just cut 7, okay? Just so I make sure I get the whole design on the vinyl. I don't want nothing, I don't want no piece of the design cut off, nothing like that. So you just want to cut a little extra. Alright, we got 2.5 right here. So I might cut like 3. Vinyl. Now we're gonna place the vinyl on the cutting mat. Alright, so we're gonna place that in here. We're gonna wait for that to cut, so we're gonna press that button, make sure it's on, iron on. We're gonna press that C for cut or that C for cricket, whatever, and make it do it work. There, that's good. That's the shiny side, but we're gonna weed it from the back side, okay? So now I'm about to just cut half of this because I realized I used too much. Now we're gonna get the weeding tool. Like I said, you always wanna go from the corner, from the top, alright? So I'm gonna dig in it like that. You know what I'm saying? Digging it like that. Once you get it good, alright, then it becomes easy. Alright, so you can tell this is stretched because this mud is really stretching. Alright, so you can just tell. Look at that. That's a stretched vinyl. Alright, so we're gonna keep peeling, Alright. So now we're gonna just pick out, you know, the little pieces now. So we got all of that out. Good measurement. So now you're about to place this on the heat press. The acrylic is more of a sensitive material. So matter of fact, let me set the temperature right now because that is too high. So we're gonna drop that down to, we're gonna set it down to 300. For about 10 seconds. I'm gonna do 300 for 10 seconds, alright? So we got the hat right here. What we're gonna do first is always preheat the garment. Bada bing, that's up. Alright, got the hat. It's hot already. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna get that. Place that design right there. So make sure it's straight, make sure it's centered, all of that. Okay. You see. Alright. Alright, so that's that right there. We're gonna put back I forgot what it's called again. Slipped my mind right now, but place that over the hat. So we're gonna press for 10 seconds. That's what I said. Make sure your temperature is 300. Take that off. Alright, so you could peel this hot or cold. Peeling, 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 peeling. Alright. So as you can see, it's on there. Now what I like to do is just do one little extra press just for security. Do that for about 5 seconds. Boom. Lift that up. Alright. And now you done made yourself a nice old beanie. So that was the video for today. We did a demonstration on heat pressing a beanie using stretch vinyl. So anytime you're pressing on any kind of stretchy garment, make sure you're using a stretch vinyl, okay? Because just to avoid all the cracks and creaks and all that nonsense, make sure you're using the stretch vinyl. Alright, that was a video for today. Hope y'all learned something. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all like this video. Y'all comment anything, you know, all that good stuff. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay focused. We out here. You feel me?